If your business stops making money the moment you go to sleep, you don't have a business. As a business owner, part of your goal in 2026 is to be able to build a system that generates money for you, whether you are physically present or whether you are absent. You have a lot of things you want to be doing part time, and you cannot spend all the time inside a business. A lot of people resign from their jobs and start businesses, and they are not really business owners. They just stepped from being employees for their boss to becoming employees to themselves. And that is not what running businesses is all about. You are supposed to build your business in such a way that it will run on its own. Remember, your business is an entity. It should run on its own using the systems you have built. A lot of businesses that I have worked with face a similar challenge. And that challenge is that when the boss is not there, for example, to close a deal, that deal won't be closed. When the boss is not there to follow up with a customer on WhatsApp, that business would not be gotten. Are you facing the same problem? Are you running your business like a business, or are you working for yourself as a staff to yourself? This is 2026, and if you're serious about making serious money, then that means one of your goals should be an autopilot business, which is simply a business that works and makes money whether you are there physically, mentally, spiritually or not. It keeps making money for you. This means that while you are sleeping, your business should be welcoming new leads, nurturing the leads. While you are away on vacation, your staff can be following a digital footprint that you have already prepared for them. You don't need to micromanage them. They just have a system that they follow. It's like prompting ChatGPT. So they just enter into the system and the system works. The truth is this: if your business depends on you 100% to be there physically, it won't grow big. Instead, you get burnt out. So the question is, what can you do to grow your business on autopilot, whether you are there or not? So how do you create an autopilot system for your business? The simplest thing you can do is to employ what I call the digital secretary. Now, who is a digital secretary? The digital secretary is the person you employ to be working 24/7 in your business. 2 a.m., that person is awake, replying to customers' queries. By 5 p.m., the person is there, responding to customers' inquiries. That person is a digital secretary, and that person is not a real human being. So you don't need to pay them salary every month. All you need to do is subscribe to the software that you have already installed, program it on how to work, and then you go to bed. In other words, you are using automated replies to respond to your customers 24/7. There are a lot of bots that you can set up, whether on Facebook, on Instagram, even on your website, to respond to your customers anytime they talk. One of the software that I know that does this very well is Salesforce. Okay? Now, the second thing you can do to automate your business to run 24/7, whether you are there physically or not, is to create what I call the sales funnel. If you are into marketing, I'm sure you already know what sales funnels mean. It's very simple. You know, it's a funnel. This is what a funnel looks like. So what you are doing in essence is to create a marketing process where a customer sees your ad, clicks on the link, and they get in here, and then they follow through the funnel until they become paying customers. So here is where they see the ads, and then they follow in, they come in here, you nurture them either with your emails or with content on your website. You nurture them, and then you keep nurturing them until they become customers. This is where they come out from by paying money. So the whole process is what we call sales funnel, from seeing your ads, clicking on it, landing on your website, reading your content, maybe making inquiries to know what the business, what it entails, asking how much, following up and all that until it results in sales. The good news is you do not have to do this manually. You can set up a system that once they click on the ad, it takes them from here to here to here to here until they make that payment and the money comes to you. Now, the third thing is what I call the staff playbook. You have to pay attention because this is very important. What do I mean by a staff playbook? As a business owner, you should have a digital Bible for your business. Every business should have a modus operandi or the way they operate, so that when you hire new staff, you take them through a process, give them this digital Bible of your business. This is how we respond to customers' inquiries. This is how we respond to second time customers. This is how we talk to people that are still trying to buy. This is how we do this. This is how we do that. Every staff should have the playbook and abide by it. If you check all the big businesses that big organizations and corporations like banks, you notice that when they employ staff, they give them a playbook. Why do you think that you don't need the same playbook? Now, if you have a brand image that you are protecting, you have a brand image that you are projecting, the only way you can get every member of your staff to abide by the principles guiding your brand is by making sure that they read through, go through, and abide by your staff playbook. All right? So this way, because they already know how to manage each situation, they are not calling you on the phone every 5 minutes asking you how to treat a particular customer, asking you, where is this supplier? Where is the phone number for this person? Where is the phone number for the person in the warehouse? Everything is in the staff playbook. So this staff playbook is you duplicating yourself in a digital form for your staff to be able to know what to do per time without having to consult you first. When you're able to do these three things, employing a digital secretary, creating a sales funnel, and in creating a staff playbook for your business, you would have taken the first step towards making your business run on autopilot, so that this year you can focus on the things that really matter to your business, which is getting more customers and even expanding, while the staff you have trained and the system you've created is managing your business and growing your business. Now, I'm Toby Nwazo. Of course, as you already know, I'm a digital marketing consultant, and all these things that I teach are not just theory. These are things that I've practiced in my own business and also in the business of other clients that I've helped and managed over the years. And I can do the same thing for you. What I can do for you is to help you set up systems that can run your business when you are not there physically. All you need to do is to send me a DM and say training in that DM, and we can talk about the next steps to helping you build the system that can help your business run on autopilot and make you money even when you sleep. If you found this very valuable, please don't be selfish. Share. Sharing is caring. Like, follow, comment, subscribe, and make sure you share this video or tag a CEO or a business owner that needs to learn these things.